guys, Aubrey here. Today I'm doing the Eureka Math Grade 4, Module 7, Lesson 1. So let's get started. Number 1, complete the tables. So these are conversions. 1 yard is equal to 3 feet. So 2 yards would be 3 plus 3, which is 6 feet. And 3 would be 9, 5 yards, that would be 5 times 3, which is 15. And 10 yards times 3 is 30 feet. Alright, now feet to inches. 1 foot is 12 inches. So 2 feet is 24 inches. 5 feet, 5 times 12, that's 60 inches. 10 feet, 10 times 12 is 120. And 15 feet, 15 times 12 is 160. No, not 160, 180. Alright, now yards. 1 yard is equal to 36 inches. So that means 3 yards, 3 times 36. That's 108. 6 times 36. That's 216. 10 times 36, 360. And 12 times 36. 432. Alright, so now solve number 2. A, 2 yards, 2 inches equals how many inches? Alright, so we can look up here. 1 yard is 36 inches. So 2 yards is 72 inches. Plus that 2 inches here, so 74 inches. B, 9 yards, 10 inches. How many inches? 9 yards, let's see, you just do 9 times 36, which, 9 times 36, 324 plus 10 is 334 inches. Alright, now C, 4 yards, 2 feet. So 4 yards, 4 times 3 is 12. So 4 yards is 12 feet plus the 2 feet is 14 feet. Now D, 13 yards, 1 foot. So 13 yards is 13 times 3, which is 39, plus 1 foot is 40 feet. Alright, now E, 17 feet, 2 inches. So I have to do 17 times 12, which is 204. And then plus the 2 inches, 206 inches. Now 11 yards, 1 foot is how many feet? So 1 yard is 3 feet, so 11 yards is 33 feet, plus 1 foot is 34 feet. And G, 15 yards and 2 feet. So 15 yards, 15 times 3 is 45, plus 2 is 47 feet. Alright, and 5 yards, 2 feet. 5 yards is 15 feet, plus 2 is 17 feet. But wait, hold on, inches. So 17 feet in inches. You do 17 times 12, which is 204 inches. Alright, now number 3, Allie. Allie has a piece of string that is 6 yards, 2 feet long. How many inches of string does she have? So 6 yards, how many inches is 6 yards? 6 yards, we're up here. 6 yards is 216 inches. plus 2 feet is 24 inches. So 216 plus 24 is 240. So 240 inches. Alright, number 4, complete the table. Pounds and ounces. 1 pound is 16 ounces. So 2 is 32 ounces. 4 pounds is 64 ounces. 10 pounds is 160 ounces. And 12 pounds is 192. Okay, now number 5, Renee's baby sister weighs 7 pounds 2 ounces. How many ounces does her sister weigh? So 7 pounds, 7 times 16 is 112. Ounces plus 2 ounces is 114 ounces. So that's how much Renee's sister weighs. Alright, and now number 6, answer true or false for the following statements. If the statement is false, change the right side of the comparison to make it true. Alright. So, let's see. A, 4 kilograms is less than 4,100 grams. So 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams. So 4 kilograms is 4,000 grams. And 4,000 grams is less than 4,100 grams. So this is true. Now B, 10 yards is less than 360 inches. 1 yard is 36 inches. So therefore 10 is 10 times 36, which is 360 inches. So these would be equal. So this is false. Alright, and to make it true, change the right side. So 10 yards needs to be less. We can just change it to 370 inches. Alright, and now C, 10 liters is equal to 100,000 milliliters. Well, 1 liter is 1,000 milliliters. So 10 times 1,000 is 10,000. So that is less than 100,000, so this is not equal. That's false. You can change that to 10,000 milliliters. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video helps. And please don't forget to like and subscribe because it really helps on my channel. See you guys next time. Bye.